structure of atoms है अकोई class 9 10 दा दम तौखिबदु को चप मानदने 11 12 तसु तमबनेबको दुना ये से दम in detail से दम चलसे साइ हरको साइ रियम calculation यावगिरो को सिजो okay so structure of atoms है अकोइना करिदम the structure of atoms से तमदिनो हमतमदा अकोइ हरको मतम हाइग्रे chemistry से करिनो नको compositions any matter amagi magi compositions then properties composition singdugi ko matter ki property harasu are yam samna adegi moina amadegi amada transform to matamda natraga amaga compound oibi elements oibi punsin raga kari semi natraga kari oire I haiba mayam sin nei na changes mayam se yam samna ko properties then composition and changes it may be physical or chemical or mayam sigi maram de nei na budu ne ko chemistry gibdu aduna maru kanda structure of atoms ko khangda ya atom has mind to no sine kari gino hamatam do koina nahan Dalton's atomic theory hai na mayaw ki bane madu dei do koina ha give say atom say quite a pick pa chemical reaction the participate to ngamba adu quite a pick pa particle the ultimate particle in high give so according to Dalton's atomic theory atom is the ultimate particle so we need to study the structure of atoms now atom have say hanadi quite a pick pani hairame mama ngai ko horok science na sum lakpo matam da ngalinge mat quite ngalinge matam da chemistry se khangba horok dagi atoms na quite a pick pani hairame but now atoms se amuk akoina subdivide to we are ko atom can be subdivided into 3 subparticles like electron proton and neutrons yare ko akoina atom se quite pick ahum da khaido pe second pick ko su je khaido pe yare ko quarks kaina legre me maru adu koi di hojik sigi particle ahum se maru oina khandani electrons protons and neutrons yare ko moi sing se koina fundamental particles ni han high gani because all the atoms are irrespective of different types of elements sing je manadra su atom bo haraga de koina any element ge atom oi bi oining bo je sunu moi se electron proton amadi neutron ahum jina same doini so these 3 subparticles are called fundamental particles yare ko then next koi huzki hariba fundamental particles ahum se kana na discover towi moigi mass na kaya lebano then charge na absolute charge choi yam samna charge hai so yare ko moigi charge na kaya no have yes proton represented by p ko small p na represent towi aduga hariba proton se E Goldstein ko unupam na discover to ki magi mass na 1.67262 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg yam magi arumba siam na pe ko 10 to the power minus 27 have ni yare ko kg de express to jabani magi exponential part se amount to minus 27 and day so yam no pe magi mass se ko then magi charge na 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb oi aduga electron JJ Thomson ko nupasina discover to kibo adu electron ki mass na 9.1094 yam samna 9.1 khata hara sai ko into 10 to the power minus 31 kg aduga charge na magi minus haibam yoxilani value di chamani mathaki proton gi siga kenari se magi sign ji da khaktani kenari because electron je koi khangre negative charge pu heba aduga proton na positive charge pu heba koi khangabni na ko ere ko then koina mathang dam la si neutron haibam lere neutron haiba si James Chadwick ko nu pam na पुथोखिबनी अदुगा मागी mass na 1.674793 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg aduga magi di charge chargeless ne yare ko okay then next up akoina experiment ama discharge tube haina ma leye figures de ulake ko sigi se akoina discharge tube natraga crux tube haina ko we ko adu sigi discharge tube natraga crux tube side experiment je ke dogem tamda electric current pass toxin bane electrolysis to ko electric current thajin ba adu electric current thajin disida ai nisida cathode ama hape duga anode ama hape electrode ani hape ba sigi discharge tube sigi manungda but when it is connected to a battery machine rakana koina current thajale current thajin ma matam ne ko cathode rays dagi cathode hariba electrode sidagi particles khara tholi ba ko ray khara tholi yam sam yare ko ray khara tholge ray sing se aina tholi is kamai khomge hamatam ne sigi sagi jaga sida aina structure ama thamba yare ko magi ray se cathode lakpo matamda cathode tholok ray buni ko khoina cathode ray sari se ko aduga anode gi emit torok ray buna anode ray sene ko dini yare ko adu cathode tegi when it is electrolyzed we electrolysis to matamda ko particles khar tholei chamana ne anode tegi tholei high part high ri tholei ba sing do koina cathode thi tholona cathode ray kore anode tegi tholagana anode ray hena kore moi sing se koi moi gi property sing je study to dini yare ko adum yengasi adum see figures da dum yenga haira su yabdi yabjani ko adu cathode ray sing je anode ka dum chamana ni cathode se went cathode tegi tholakpa matam na ray sing se they travels in straight line cathode rays travel in straight line anode adum mangai adum moisu they will travel in straight lines yare ko anode and cathode rays are travel in straight lines okay then akoina moisi ray ni hari kama hai no hamatam da aina sidai suppose structure ama thamme yare ko cathode tegi laiba ray se magi lambi sida ina structure ama thatlaga thame aduga somda fluorescence tayda thama matamda yengo matamda taydraga su ko akoina light ki mami podama leri mami taidna ko nungsagi manganda thama matamda or light ko torch light ka pa oiwe dumain to da aina sida structure ama thama matamda structure sigi mami se shadow se somda ta gani yare ko that means moi say light ki character should behave to you yare ko adoina no idea na sigi keno sing da hani na properties sing so properties of cathodes and anode rays first they travel in straight lines and cast a shadow on the opposite wall of the cathode karigumba ina object ama thamagadi lam libel ray dugi lambi da ko shadow ama semgani mami ama semgani okay then second they produce mechanical effect mechanical effect haragadi karino hamatam suppose aina sidat side turbine gumba ama thame rotor ama gumba ko yare ko ungwe wheel gumba thame aduga cathode tagi library se sisina hojiki wheel side wheel ama thame na khalo habani wheel sida cathode tagi library na cathode racing ni yeiba matam na wheel se leirakani uru unga ka rotate torkani ba yare ko that means mechanical work ama tore havni mechanical effect ama puto havni manual work ama chathare samna ko like similarly when anode tagi tholakpa ray singdugi lambi da ina wheel ama thamasu wheel do dum rotate to gani that means mechanical effect ama produce to we havni yare ko okay then next point effect of electric field electric field huziki cathode rays amadi anode rays singse mogi character se combine to buno have the yengse sida leiriba sigi cathode ray khakta gi dum ure ko khode chap mana bani na ina anima utkidram amom tang am khakta da common hoina ko if aina sida electric field am thamjile suppose sigi mathak sida na plate ama leire aduga makha da plate ama leire khalo mathak ki plate sida na aina negative charge pu hale yare ko mathak ki plate sida na negative charge pu hale aduga makha da na positive charge pu plate ama thame na khale se yare ko aduragadi aina haining ise ngasagi akoina sigi cathode ray singse kaidoge hamatamda deflect tawdine sidi yo ko hana ko adu explain to the cathode rays deflects towards the positive charge cathode rays singge positive charge level plate on the deflect away here this indicates that the particles in the cathode rays carries negative charge so koina anga uri ramatame kai hen tamake matamda like charges repel charger other opposite charges attract charger habam tamakare so cathode tagi live ray singse they carry negative charge kar main khang ga matamda when we applied some electric field hapsin matamda electric field hapsin duse ka main no mathak ta plate ama hapani makha da plate ama hapani rays na chali lambi siga parallel oina plate ani hapani boina yare ko adu plate ani do plate ama danam positive mathak ta leisna positive plate ni khalasi makha da leisna negative plate ni khalasi adu gadi cathode ta gi thololi cathode rays singse they will not travel in straight line once we applied an electric field applied to matamda straight line the chala roi because they carry charges these rays carry charges so cathode rays carry charge pu no hina check tawni so when we applied an electric field the rays coming from the cathode deflected towards the positive plate mathaklon hina thekali ko yare ko sumai straight line la amadagi electric field thengna badagi masi sumai tor mathaklon sum thekat ki kon khalak ko yare ko mathakta di positive plate leibagi yare ko makha da positive plate le man makha ro thekta duni ko adu hojiki nei na hagi do mathakta lei hairni na mathaklom da deflect to khalani kon khalani ko sina haning ri kari no ham tam da positive lom da attract to web sida live rays yare ko so koina anga de tam gi de khangi se like charges repel each other opposite charges attract each other mana body in thong nei aduga opposite no ba charge mana da ani di ching chine hebni so cathode te tholai ray se positive lom da chatlabani na haining ri kaino positive ka di attraction thok pe roi positive ka negative ka attraction thok tini so cathode rays carries negative charge and hence it gets deflected towards the positive plate similarly the anode rays when pass through a electric field it deflects towards the negative plate anode rays sing chu ka ke do gem ton hujiki mai na electric field ma thamba matam da downward deflect hoy because side aina negative plate ama tham gidana ko aduna anode te tholai bu rays sing se moina mu negative plate labor the deflect hoy that means aina negative lum da changshel le haragadi ma ban anode rays sing siga negative plate to ga attraction lai ne have but aina negative plate ka attract of this di kana khaktono ham tam da positive sing ne yare ko aduna anode rays sing di kari charge pu diba positive charge pu bani yare ko cathode rays carry negative charge and anode rays carry positive charge on a koine electrolysis tawba matam da yam samna yare ko electric field ma thamma matam da okay then next they possess both the anode rays and cathode rays possess heating effect yare ko heating effect sagalan bagi effect um puthorkani moise anode rays na karigumba hard substance amada or any substance amada yeiba matam da substance so heat up torkani so both the anode and cathode rays possess heating effect next point they produce fluorescence mangal ama puthoe ko langtrik lang mangal ama then x-rays su puthoe yare ko kenta da way obra sibog da tumin lere
so tare
ko okay then next akoina Faraday's law of electrolysis habamle size I gi what ki phone size is pick pra kamai doi noi phajana ubra pi agri udragri ude hero ko adum mit nungai ta sunum yawuni so next Faraday's law of electrolysis Faraday's law of electrolysis is a karino sinebo Faraday's law of electrolysis is huzik akoina tawkibduda haidi hayode huzik harage karigumba aina thajiliba first point da to karigumba aina this the electric current thajimani no ko this is Faraday's law of electrolysis ki matungina aina electric current thajimani mana hairami je kaino hai matamda aina thajiliba current sigi matungina anode natraga cathode gi puthorkadriba particles or rays singdo ray nasagi aina thajiliba electric current duga proportional oina gani ya electric current am thajile cathode natraga anode rays yam puthoni anode particles ko aduga khitang thaji electric current se khitang apply supply torgana sidagi cathode gi natraga anode gi tholokadriba ray natraga particles singdo yam moy yare ko that means aina current piriba chang dugi matungina cathode natraga anode gi magi particles sing natraga ray sing se proportional in puthorkani aina electric current kitang thajin matam da hekta cathode rays mayam puthorokada nati aina thajiliba current dugi matungina maduga chanana rays puthorkani ba it may be from cathode to vi anode to vi puthorkani rays to natraga particles sing do hairiba husiki aina thajiliba aina supply toriba amount of electric current duga managani so if a fixed amount of electricity is passed through a cell it produces fixed amount of substance at the electrode okay then next point aduga suppose aina electric current se sum pm mari khagak sum hengalan ba adu regadi suppose the cell ama khate yawi ko physics da khara tam mari khale sumaina khara ten ba muga kani kitang sang sumaina to se akoina cell aina represent to cell gi representation de dare ko sugumba ani suragadi current electric current thajin bagi chang ji helak ni sida de ama khate yawi ko vet cell ama khate yawi se cell ani shon ba mo next cell ahum muk shon ba adu ragadi cell ama khate ngari ngai matam dadi magi cathode rays khakta hairse ko ko cathode rays na puthor po rays se cell ama na piba electric current du chana na pi puthor tu ne chamana na cell ani so lagadi more cathode rays will be produced again if 3 cells oragadi cathode rays na amken cathode rays me am puthor ani but aina sidal sinariba current ki source khena bagi matungina electric current ki source peak pump sung chaw khena bi matungina supply of electric current su khena dini supply of electric current khena matam na phangiba hojiki cathode ki puthorli ba cathode rays ki amount se moi sing su simple ratio da puthorkani have suppose numbers to ne haise ko gyanta na ba aina cell ama sinari da only one cell sinamatam da cathode gi 10 rays in masing da haya punti ko do hai sum masing da gyan ta na hai 10 rays cathode gi 10 rays ana puthu en khala se yare ko aduga aina cells ani sinamatam da 20 puthu en khala cell amana 10 puthu cell ani subamatam da 20 rays cathode rays puthu khalo then cell ahum sinamatam da di 30 rays puthu yare ko adu regadi hujiki amount of the cathode rays produced to 10 20 30 do koine ratio lok thogadi ratio kya ta ne simplify to matam da kage ko cell sida sinariba cell se supply of electric current se only one cell dagi supply to han maneba adugi matam da cathode rays 10 puthueba cell ani sina matam na cathode rays 20 puthueba cell ahum sinargana cathode rays 30 puthueba aduragadi huzik puthoragli ba amount of cathode rays to 10 20 and 30 se ratio already 1:2:3 taidana ko that means simple small whole number ratio type haibadi amana magidum yamna pickwa ratio tani simple whole number ratio tani yare ko kedunungda amana magi multiples adum moina gani yam kana ratio ne haragta achobu number di tar aru yare ko adu man sidai the number of various substances or rays point number 2 se ko the number of various substances so this substance or rays liberated at an electrode by a fixed quantity of electricity are in the ratio of small integers. Okay, next radioactivity. So what is radioactivity? Radioactivity haragadi karino hamatamda kariguma posak amma na spontaneously masa mathanda radiation emit tawungamo if some substances can emit radiations spontaneously karigumba posak khara ko spontaneously masa marumdom radiation puthorokpa ngamjaraba aduragadi adugumba radiation puthopagi phenomenon do thawong do duba koina kai kodiba radioactivity hana koi so it is the phenomenon of spontaneous emission of active radiations by certain elements or substances yare ko aduga hozik akoina sinakriba emission to emit radiation emit torgliba substance to natragi element do aduguna koina kai kodiba radioactive substance hai na koi for example kana lege hamatamda uranium then thorium polonium and radium etc atai su mem le ko aduna akhone maruina uranium ga sem sinai ko yare ko so radioactivity hagadi it is the phenomenon of spontaneous emission of active radiations by certain elements and those substances which can emit radiations are called radioactive substances. This phenomenon radioactivity is discovered by Henry Becquerel. Henry Becquerel hai ko nupamna puthoreba ko adu radioactivity da radiation emitter kare radiation emitter li base 3 types of radiation emitter yare ko sidi yang si ko the radioactive substance ama lore na lead block sigi manungda aduga radioactive substance ina light ama emitter yare ko light emitter ko matamda aina electric field amada electric field effect amda power chalale positive plate ama thame negative plate ama thame yare ko adu sidagi puthoragli ba radioactive substance dagi puthoragli ba radiation sing se makhal hum thong khaidore kamai khaidore no hamtam when they are passed in an electric field in the past matam da asagi library se positive charge pu khar yoram meba adu singduna negative plate sida negative plate ledna ko adu positive charge pu la ko sing se they reflected towards the negative plate lom da hana khoijin greb aduga positive charge pu ko isina positive charge pu ko isina negative plate lom sida deflectogreb adugi positive charge pu ba ray sing du ba ko na kai ko gem dam da alpha rays ana ko yare ko aduga amuksumuk sidagi live rays da beta rays ko bum yorami beta rays se electric current se pass to matam da it deflected towards the positive plate lom da deflectogreb so beta rays carries negative charge. And the third one is gamma rays. Gamma rays the undeflected on a straight line. That means mass electric current charge am to put electric field the pass the it doesn't deflect at all. Ma deflection simply travels in straight line. So this indicates that gamma rays have no charge. Gamma ray charge later charge ki matung na koi ahum thono khaidorok panida. First the alpha rays which carries positive charge because it deflected towards the negative plate, and second is beta rays which carries negative charge positive plate lom the deflect over the khangini. Aduga third ray is na neutral ne gamma ray haris because it passed through the electric field without deflection. Deflection thok na ma pass the straight line ko. So gamma ray has no charge. It is a neutral ray. Okay, then next atomic models. Masagi akoina tamai ma'am se atom gi structure je nei na ba yana ba tori ni ko. So aina radioactivity ga hapsi lai se sigi kana ba se koina Rutherford nuclear atomic model je puthor ko mating pangti ne ba ko. Adu sidi ko laksi first atomic model se makhal mari thong na khaido koina yana na le mo model sina Thomson's number 1 is ko Thomson's model of atom or some na koina resin puddling model haina su kawi. Then second Rutherford's nuclear model of atom, some na Rutherford atomic model haina su. Then number 3 Bohr's atomic model. Then number 4 quantum mechanical model of atoms haina le. Ahamada channel is number 1 is Thomson model of atoms in it. Magi drawbacks ma'am later kini tamakini ko. Adu drawbacks in the marga second is imuk laki bani. Rutherford kisi. Then next Rutherford kisi yarakter matam the Bohr's atomic model mo hogoraki. Then finally hose koina tamiba structure singse sina maru na quantum structure ni. Quantum mechanical model of atoms in koina zik tami basina. But koi uzigdum Rutherford kisudum khasina damate Bohr kisudum sinagani ko khode tammi banina history tambaga chamane tare si. So Thomson's model of atom have se kananu puthong ga matamda J.J. Thomson aba nupa sina suggest mani atom gi structure se ko mana kram maina hairam ga matamda atom sing se yengma matamda atom sing se sigi reddish brown color se sisno positive charge ne na khalo man hairamani ko atom sing se spherical shape laigani sigi spherical shape sida positive charge gakta leibo oigadamni adugi marakta negative charge sing se phumma embed torga yawbu ga chamani like watermelon da koina watermelon gi manung da red color red color gi substance am lega watermelon gi sit maru do adu do marak da yawidana ko red oiba substance part gi manung da haibadi maru sing manung da phumma yawbu adu mind tawduna sigi atom gi structure se J.J. Thomson hodom structure se kamain to game tamda spherical shape oi aduga spherical shapes the positive charge sing uniformly distributed orga and negative charge sing se positive charge ki marakta reddish brown or color sing positive konatani ko moi gi marak side kana phummaga leiba electron sing se distribute orga leiba moi gi marak sidam ahan ma ke heba J.J. Thomson item se atom resembles a spherical shape mali aduga positive charge sing uniformly distributed throughout this spherical shape and the negatively charged electrons are embedded in such a way that electrically neutral oinaba ko yare ko habidi positive sing se positive na helagari koi positive charge puri haduneba negative ne helagana electron masing ne helagana negative charge puri haduneba so stable oinabagi damta neutral oinabagi damta kai dore ham tamda electron sing se mafam chana embed tor phummaga lerami positive charge maraksida in order to cancel the charge of positive matters positive charge of matter sing no mogi charge sing to cancel out chana neutral ta na ba electron sing sisu distribute the way ko yare ko aduga sigi sphere sigi radius se sina kai doge ham tamda 10 to the power minus 10 meter chawi magi radius sange bu ko yare ko adudi diameter di kya oidong mali diameter di kya oidong mali
2 into 10 to the power minus 10.
Okay, 2 into 10 to the power minus 10 oirani yare ko because radius se koina half of diameter ha given so diameter is equal to twice radius yare ko sidi koina angaru ngide tamako basic knowledge sing ne okay aina sigi keno se padra su yani khali ko dum marmuk te sum parake explanation sini yani na khali okay then next akoi Rutherford's nuclear atomic model haibam lere ko yare ko Rutherford's nuclear atomic model second jini first ki se drawback khare legi ko ai drawback to kona lake structure se hana high rake sigiri ko ta sengbadi hojiki ahan bagi se drawback legi ai hapau dure ko notes to yaw drone ni right mathang hapau okay sigi experiment ma chathare Rutherford sina Rutherford's scattering experiment yare ko Rutherford's scattering experiment haibam lere sigi Rutherford scattering experiments the kai the way hamatam ne koina stage da alpha rays puthopang amba samna akoi ngai radioactivity tam gidana ko radioactive substance ama lore lead blocks sigi se lead block ni ko lead block sigi manung da aram ngom nei dise aina radioactive substance radiation emit to bungamba spontaneously substance ama lore adu mangon de ray ma'am puthora e ray sing do aina filter tore some rays khara khakdamak aina straight line da chalal yare ko different directions the loi putho e rays one side uli ma'am se ko but filter tore kan ai sida gold fill ama thame yare ko gold fill sanagi plate ko macha yam pa bai tare ko yam pa ne yei tharaba sanagi plate ama tham gold madurei du da emit torically ba radioactive substance tagi emit torically ba ray sing je pass out chalan fawhan bani yare ko mongon fawhan ma matam da sigi structure sigi kaino se mawong se da dum thole yong ko aina pass out ki ba ray sing je most of the rays go through the gold fill se far out chakhe amana ko dugo some ama nina deflect away through small angle the deflect my straight lines man chakhi dona tra chatte bi kitang deflect away so sigi mark se lebi angle se am pi ko aduna small angle the deflect over the yam dev amani khaktani but most of the rays pass through the gold foil undeflected sigi gold foil se far gadum deflection am the thok na set ki yare ko aduga some rays masing yam de ko amani gum bai tare moisina 20000 gi manung da ama gumba ani gumba yare ko rays 20000 muki manung da ama gum ani gum masina deflect oreba with small angles yam pick by small angles kaloina na ka deflection thoim aduga fewer yam khara mana yam da vida kom khara amna larger deflection thoim with large angles deflection yam chawna thole yei gold foil sida yei re se aduga deflection chawna thole suman yare ko aduga sidari udre little number of rays t ke doge matam da bounce back to ri chat ki lambi se sida dum halapo yare ko Rutherford scattering experiment is simply picture simonico. Kedawamana lit block amada radioactive substance lore, adugo mamang the gold foil amatame. Gold foil sida radioactive substance take totally racing do. Yehen manim. Yehen mamatamda, most of the rays are penetrating through the gold foil. Penetrate or chakre for aduga some rays deflect away with small angles and fewer numbers deflected or bounce back again on its part. Magi live lambido the bounce to amuk chatki. Yareko. Sibune kuna Rutherford scattering experiment gi observation saibs. Mana to wuri karino pass to honba khatari. Pass to honba tan mana observation khara uiba. Adigi observation ne huziki do ka. First, most of the alpha particles khatani ko ine lori sa tai re lodre. Alpha particles ko thok pangam ka. Most of the alpha particles nearly 99% pass through the gold foil. Gold foil se power chakrani. Then a small fraction of alpha particles got deflected through small angles. Khara mana small angle the deflectors had a deflector mem se ka. Very few, about 1 in 20,000 did not pass through the foil at all but suffered large deflection more than 90 degree or even come back suffering a deflection of 180 degree. Bounce back to we have the second. Let check you the amount help for the 180 degree way. Okay, then howziki observation singse observation ahum lere most of the rays to power chakre some deflection to a small angles ka duga yamna masing yamda ama gumba lising kun gi manung da ko alpha rays kun gi manung da ama gumba se moinas bounce back to re man chaki lambi da mona halakre maram se kari gino have the yeng se sigi most of the alpha particles sing se power chakri bagi maram se kari gino hamatam da mathaki akoina hojik loriba sigi goal se sida yaw atom goal gi atom hem yaw duni no ko goal gi foil sida atom sing sigi marakte space yam lay empty space me am lay ko most of the space between the atoms of the goals are empty loina hangi aduna power ga chatpa ngami bani ko akoin ga sa hagre alpha particle se kari charge pueba positive. Okay, positive charge pui hai given. So positive charge pu re ni capsule base most of the rays se power chakre that means mafams da hang ga later me have ni akoin ubdaw di cup solid block when ujaba ko to boto atom sing marakta min ubangam da koina ko atom sing marakta gold foil gi atom gold or gold foil they are gold atom sing gi marakta large space empty space leave. So most of the alpha particles penetrate through this gold foil. Next, second gi small fractions of alpha particles say small angle the deflector we have new. Maram sinakari, we know that alpha particles carry positive charge. And atom amada akoinga say particle ye kaya okay, subparticles kaya okay.
Ani
Ahum. Electron, proton, and
proton,
neutron. Electron, proton, and neutron. Akoina sigi rays caption momentum alpha rays caption momentum ne kari gidamukta some small angles the deflection thokpa ray or higher kari no momentum da asai alpha particles in the positive charge position khange ko then next sigi alpha particles sing se deflect ho ga harabadi moisi atopa positive charge amaga thengna gadabani ko amuka hange ko koina na hana anga retor kibda like charges repel each other have ni sigi alpha particles deflect or okay repel or okay harabadi small angles in one deflect or is kari maram gino hamtamda some positive charge samagi manakta maje power ga chalure man rays me am kapai ni kapai rays me am sing manung ne some rays tike do ga matamda gold fills the some positive charge carry to substance khar gi manak na aga chatlu re adi positive charge ki manak na ubna maram kanda deflection tholak pani yare ko adi sigi gold foil sida kari lere positive charge bu substance khar yaure se khangi yare ko aduga amuk sumuk kedoge hama tamda third observation hai gi bisina 1 in 20,000 did not pass through the foil si je power sigi gold foil je power chateva amuk halaki hamne mai lambisda complete deflection thoki ba adu sina haini di kari no ham tamda asagi positive charge carry to substance kar di yaure khange manung sida ko sigi gold foil sida because some rays deflected some alpha particles or alpha rays which carries positive charge got deflected when it passed through these gold foil. So from this we know that some charge positively charged particles are here sigi gold foils di yaure je khange again third observation sida di kai khange am tamda chatkiba rays amuk mana chatkiba lambi sida halakki bounce back torki that means positive charge se jaga kharda yamna pikpa jaga kharda yaure yamna pikpa small region amada concentrate toroga leire haiba khangi maramdi chakkiba re khudi loi power chakhamine empty ore marakudi aduga amagumba ani gumba tang deflect torokpani na loina deflect toromagadi positive charge mem yaure heram duneba natraga positive charge ngi loi chakhara yaure heram duneba but power chakki matam re tahjim matam da 1 in 20,000 hali hairabanina positive asagi positive charge se yamna pikpa jaga amda leikre concentrate or leyu adugi yamna pikpa concentrate positive charge particles in concentrate toroga leiriba jaga do adu khoina nucleus haina thole yare ko so these are the explanations yare ko the large deflection of alpha particles from the fuel is due to collision with a heavy positively charged mass called nucleus. Nucleus ko bongo thengna badagi ni. Nucleus tani koina positively charged substance ama mass ama lady bas. Yare ko. Okay, so from this Rutherford conclude his atomic model. Kari conclude tor ke hamatam dane. Atom amada number 1 je ko. Atom amada positively charged puba mass ama substance ama ko leiriba positively charged puba substance se yamna pikpa jaga amada lei mayai waida ko adugi center da leiba potu bukoina nucleus haina ko still Rutherford so atom se mana assume term is spherical shape lene assume term ko spherical shape to gi mayai da spherical shape to gi center da hairiba positive charge sing se concentrate toroga lei aduna adugi jaga do khoina nucleus haina ko ham yare ko then second point da nasagi positive charge puri bese nucleus the positive charge puri bese kana yawbadagi no hai matam dane proton yawbadagi ni proton amaram oirakanda nucleus ki positive charge oiribani hai bani yare ko aduga elements mayam lei hausi fawda elements kya khange koida how many elements 118 very good 118 khange ko but according to some syllabus course state ki natraga board kumba council gumba different councils state ki tongan leje dina ko manipur gisu manipur board lay cbsc na low school jing dum lay moi syllabus ta khena lay 115 ibas your still ko adu at most report up to date punadi 1180 lay so positive charge pure nucleus am the positive charge pure se proton ani have khange but we have different elements tongan ma'am lai gre tongan be elements sing sing mo atom sing so loina positive charge pure yare ko nucleus sing se the nucleus of all the or different elements the nucleus of atoms of different elements carry positive charge but the magnitude different wave haibadi suppose hydrogen the proton kya yawi
ama
yawi ko oxygen di
nute ai
oxygen the 8 ko adu ergadi aina sida haining ise o nucleus the yaw number of protons se hydrogen na 1 ni yare ko aduga oxygen gidana 8 yawdini aduna positive charge se hydrogen gi 1 negative sorry oxygen gina magi nucleus ta positive nipan yawdini yare ko proton nipan yawgi yare ko aduna magi magnitude ti khenagani elements khenabagi matungina tawtabu nucleus ta positive charge ohelibsti kanana no ham tam due to the protons proton oigani yare ko akoina ngasai hagi the proton se positive charge pui hagi ne yare ko then next point jemo asagi atom amagi natraga nucleus amagi electron gi mass ti am pick kimni ko ngasai ko mass of proton neutron electron yeng namatamda electron gi mass ti am pi magi di leite bugum bane ko si proton ga neutron gi am pi pick ti hamnate but compared among themselves moi mayam gi mun compare to matamda electron di negligible hoiba so neglect to thokro sai but nucleus ki mass है कोई जुलाक से the mass of nucleus है kanana pi dino ha matamda proton ga neutron ga na pi dino nucleus to yauriba proton amasung neutron na mass of the nucleus pirakani aduna yam samna koina mass number haina matorokini makha de yawni ko ai yorokri ulamage ko okay let mass number haibam lere mass number of an element or of an atom say mass of an atom har say koyam samna or mass of an element sigi mass number have a small capital n represent away mass say kari ga mana ke tam the nucleus ti yawa atom ama gi mass number se kai ga mana ke tam ne magi nucleus ti yawa number of protons ka number of neutrons ka tinsin of the addition the sum of the adu gi value du ne koina mass number has yare ko si se karai de line am tam no ki Rutherford ki atomic model like puthore ni yare ko so koina khange mass of nucleus se kai ga mane ba nucleus to the oriba protons ka neutrons ka na ni hai then next point da Rutherford na hare mi se atom ama haiba se atom ama se akoi nga sai sidawdi ide akoi na khanga dawdi spherical shape lai se khanga dabne so sigi atom se electrically neutral wave any atom electrically neutral oi sini ma hare mi se atom ama se electrically neutral oi kari maram gi oi rino ha matam da nucleus se negatively charged carry over electron sing na question laga thame the nucleus of the center of the sphere se si se of an atom se koi nucleus na kokre adu sigi nucleus se negatively charged particle there is electron sing na surround toroga thame so that the aside nucleus there or positive charge sing se electron sing the negative charge pu ni na cancel out of negative charge na positive charge ka cancel out toro kanda neutral o hele but ta saying na cancel out to ene to mangan gi dinati ko magi nucleus there or number of protons adum yawani so mana piriba number of what to say positive charge masing shu chaman adum pirakani at the same time akoi the leiba electron sing na sudum negative charge pu thorakani mogi negative charge sing duga nucleus there or positive charge sing du cancel out chana bhagtani mang gi dinati ta saying ko magi charge tum cancel to na jab tani mangan give dinati when na mo give the mass can neither be created nor destroy have the dum lady like that charge si so ko na mangan ba ya di lady potodum lady but just neutral we have ko tani masing manam okay then next point the electrons are revolving around the nucleus like the planets around the sun electron sing se nucleus ke koi da planet sing the sun numi ke koi da chat pa duga chamana revolve to chali adugi revolve to chali ba mogi part to electron sing revolve to chali ba nucleus ke koi da revolve to chali ba mogi lambi part to adu koina orbit haina koi yare ko aduna sigi electron singja koina like planets planet kumna numike ko de chali highway dum ta koina moise planetary electrons haina koi yare ko okay then next point the electrons and the nucleus are held together by electrostatic force of attraction since electron ga nucleus ka electron di negative charge pui nucleus na positive charge carry tawi so they are of opposite charge moise opposite charge oi ko aduna opposite charge oi banina yam kanba force of attraction electrostatic force of attraction haibu nei masigi force of attraction jina nucleus amasung electron sing se yam kanna fajilaga thamme yam chena yare ko because they carry negative one is negative and the other is positive electron and negative pui nucleus na positive charge pui aduna yam kana opposite charge ni na attraction ama leyu adugi force of attraction do koina electrostatic force of attraction ko yare ko si sina fajilaga tham then last most of the spaces in an atom between the nucleus and the electrons is empty nucleus has the center de lere aduga electron sing sina outer the nucleus to ko the core gale hemni nucleus ke electron gi marakta empty space leyu ko yare ko loina hang heta yam sam then loishale avni ko khoi class hai next point up note oina ko yam lai sidi nucleons so what are nucleons nucleons are kana kana no ham tumda nucleus they are about protons and neutrons to koina nucleons haina ko yare ko sidi am lai okay then atomic number next topic atomic number I defined to aro yam samna tum hairamage represented by capital Z represent away mase kari ga manage hamatam da nucleus te over number of protons ka mane which is represented by small p and again it is also equal to number of electrons in an atom de oriva chumnagi isolated atom amade over electron ka mane ko ion de yawe electron machine di mana de ko atomic number se to what ko na khang do se isolated at neutral atom hoy gedamni madu de yawe number of electrons ka number of protons ka then atomic number moi hum se mani yare ko so element amal lere makhas da ko example okay sim ga haramge mass number hamle enga sai jo pe gre mass number di en represent hoy mass kari ga mana ge matam da nucleus te yawa protons ka neutrons ka gi masing du tension abdo number of protons ka number of neutrons ani gi tension abagi value do adu bune koina mass number haribs yare ko adu element sing je kara mind represent ho ge matam ne side cross mark le x mark se ko sisna symbol of the element any symbol ama ibe is the magnesium or be oxygen or be sulfur or be ining ba element ama lere aduga moi gi mass number ga atomic number ga se mass number sina capital A represent to emni capital A sina superscript oina hapkani element sida ko aduga atomic number na subscript oina sumaina represent to gani correct sigi mong sida element ko represent to with atom along with atomic mass and or atomic number and atomic mass yeah देखो atomic mass के atomic number के से sigi mong do represent to thuyo yeah देखो this makha the example ma yeng si oxygen have element am lere ai sidadi ma pa si sa na de ko 16 jai khar paitho i re type to the problem khar wo de ko aduna oxygen gi representation am lere mathak to se oxygen gi kari ho de atomic number ogedra mass ogedra
atomic mass
natraga mass number ni ko the makha de na atomic number ni so from this representation we know that oxygen has 8 atomic number and 16 atomic mass question number makha yeng si ko how many protons electrons and neutrons are there in Roman number A is the haina hange ko ai ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯅꯣꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯠ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟꯒ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯕꯖꯥꯠꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯗꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯏ ꯆꯞꯇꯤ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯞꯇꯕ ꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯦꯒꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯦꯒꯅꯤꯁꯤꯌꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯏꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯄ꯭रोटॉन्स ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯟꯁ ꯑꯦꯟ न्यूट्रॉन्स पुथो है क्या होनी है नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स क्या होनी मैग्नीशियम के 12 करी मरम गिनो मरम दिखंगो से को
Number
ओके एटॉमिक नंबर का नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स का माने है बने ओके सो from this representation atomic number से 12 ने है खंगे नत्रा z से मखा दे represent तो इतना को अदना number of protons should be 12 electron मसिंग दी क्या होगी ने 12 अदम होगी ने को मथक कोई जाएगा atomic number से number of protons का सुमानी which is again equal to number of electrons है क्या so 12 लोअर नहीं neutrons मसिंग दी क्या होगी ने
13 mass to the
13
okay 13 याम का नहीं explain तो दूसरा रिकॉर्ड देखो 13 लोअर नहीं अतः दिखांग ब्रो because अकोई नसाई सी मथक दस formula हम लेके रहे mass number है तो को mass number से कई का माने वो number of protons plus number of neutrons का माने है बने arrange तो थोड़ी अइने suppose उसे कोई पुथोपा मिशन number of neutrons इंटर पामिशे number of neutrons पुथो के दिसी की number of protons है left from the थांगी भी यार वेटा यानी को left से थांग रेडी मागी symbol sign से plus ले मनी minus होला so number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus number of protons mass number दी 25 नी number of protons दी from atomic number दे कोई खंगे 12 ने 25 minus 12 दी कोई नाम 13 दारे यारे को so मागी में यारे next सिगी महारो bromine की मो
numbers of proton 35 electron 35 neutron 45
neutron 45 अते दी क्या अंता ब्रो
oh
okay Sony di Joyश्री
I
tay ko yare ko okay so ngasi di class e okay season last way di ko isotope saibam ne atei su kharab dia wali ko ngasi class di silo isotope saibam ne so isotope sai di kari no koi han loin tam gra wa te happy charok ko khangra khangi ko hairo kari no isotope sai kari
atomic number mana mass number kenaba
element amagi samana atom sing hoy gane ne moi sing do same element already atomic number chamanani aduga different mass number natraga atomic mass leiraba adugumba atoms of the same element koina isotopes ane koi for example hydrogen hai nam leire hydrogen ge isotopes ahum lei ere ko first is protium natraga koina normally hydrogen adum harise ko magi atomic mass and atomic number are 11 loi wei ko next deuterium haibam le deuterium same magi atomic number d always time 1 oigani aduga magi mass na mass na 2 oigani ere ko sibuna koina deuterium hana koi represented by d then next is tritium represented by capital T and it has atomic number 1 and atomic mass 3 here ko atomic mass na 3 leba du atomic number na 1 oiba adu gumba hydrogen na koina tritium haina ko here ko protium deuterium and tritium haina humne sumain tawdana chlorine gi su lei atop element sing su mayam lei carbon gi su lei ko carbon gi isotopes sing do haiba ngambra kari no carbon gi isotopes sing do haiba ngambra carbon 12 carbon 13 carbon 14 ko carbon 12 has ne atomic mass 12 leba adegi carbon 13 is na atomic number atomic mass or mass number 13 leba duga carbon 14 is na atomic number 14 atomic number dinum 12 for any atomic mass 14 leba here ko example the ko another example the carbon haibam lere first the carbon 12 leba ma then next the carbon 13 leba ma and carbon 14 leba pare ko atomic number di loine 12 hoigani ko carbon ki but atomic mass loi keni amana 12 ni amana 13 ni then amana 14 so these are the isotopes of carbon among these sigi ahum sigi manung ne carbon 14 se madi radioactive substance hoi ko it can emit radiation this is a radioactive substance pare ko generally do no carbon 12 se eham matam sinai pare ko moisina specific way ngamar kasine ado hojiki onde koina sine de carbon 12 ni okay sibok to gyan ta de kari kari yawi nasi gi dis de lo shele